Court does call the case of the People versus Cartier-Drains.
And that was the people.
And Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Cartier-Drains. Mr. Drains, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the court?
Also files with this block.
He did. He said something. Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
I, Cartier Armani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be
Okay.
represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or strawman. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Okay, pause. If you've watched courtroom clips before, you probably recognize this language. Living, breathing human, straw man, sovereign individual. This is a common sovereign citizen style argument. Here's the legal reality. Courts do not recognize the idea that you can separate your living self from your legal identity to escape jurisdiction. It sounds powerful, it feels constitutional, but in an actual courtroom, it usually goes nowhere. Question for you. Is this a bold stand for personal rights or a fast track to frustration?
Ching.
Hey, next to my elbow, they read a crack. Temporary name of grandfather for you. They did have my Social Security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
If you ever took that for the people.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this matter.
State your name for the record, sir.
Red Crockett. Haven't had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my
Hang
birthday.
on a second. Sir, have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They have that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, in which I'm still going through stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something happened.
Okay, but I just
Not
need
too
to
long
know.
ago, and then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just excited to kill this case, man, because this case is. They got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report and they got me.
Okay, all right.
This stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on. At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen.
This is a critical courtroom pivot. Notice what the judge is doing, narrowing the issue. Before we get into art fairs, gunshot wounds, conspiracies, or conflicts of interest, the court needs one basic thing: identity confirmation. Are you the person charged in this complaint? Courtrooms run on procedure. If that foundation isn't solid, nothing else moves forward. It might feel dismissive, but legally, it's step one.
There is an order for a competency evaluation that is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any evaluation, and they almost killed me.
And this is the moment everything shifts. A competency evaluation isn't punishment. It's a legal safeguard. The court has to determine whether a defendant understands the proceedings and can assist in their own defense. If there are signs of confusion, delusion, or inability to stay on track, the judge has a duty to pause and assess. It's not about intelligence, it's about legal capacity. But emotionally, it can feel like the system is turning on you.
You and Collins, man. Already a conflict of interest.
I'm gonna order a competency evaluation, forensic
I'm ordering you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You wanna know
I'll leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
Because
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get- I'm gonna
evaluation from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
things to
gonna
me
get
again.
through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right?
Not
If
gonna-
you don't wanna conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me. Almost
I'm gonna
died,
let you
man.
go
I'm not
on
gonna
and try
be
to
in
get
no,
it
I'm
all
not gonna
out.
be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not gonna be taking something that I'm not.
All right, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I've given you 2 warnings. I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Man, you sitting there. I'm
You
finna
need
get
to
in trouble.
go with them. Call
I'm a-
security, call security down.
Courtroom the same way, but man, you escort the same way. You a part of something that did something to me, man. All the time.
You guys might wanna go check back there. That, I don't know what's gonna happen.
That's his back.
What?
Backpack.
What about his backpack?
Oh, it's your backpack? Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack. I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
So make it.